All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at the HyperX Cloud Stinger Core wireless headset for PS4, PS5, and PC. So this headset features up to 17 hours battery life, 2.4 gigahertz wireless, 40mm drivers, and a noise cancellation microphone. As you know, HyperX is one of my favorite manufacturers when it comes to headsets. I've been using HyperX for many years. I like their microphones, I like their headsets, and this headset is another one to add to their list. It's designed to be lightweight and comfortable. It features durable steel sliders, a swivel to mute mic, and gaming grade wireless. So let's go ahead and open up the box so we can get our eyes on this headset, and make sure you watch to the end because we're gonna do a microphone test to check out the quality of this mic. All right, so inside the box, we have the instruction manual in case you have any questions about the headset. We have the USB dongle. This is gonna go directly into your PC or your PlayStation. We have your USB Type-C charging cable, and then the headset itself. So this headset comes in matte white with blue trim and black ear cushions, and then it also has black on the headband, as well as the HyperX branding across the top. Your volume, power button, and your USB port is located on the left ear, as well as your microphone. Your microphone, you can bend it any way that you want. You can also mute it by flipping it up as well. One thing I really like about this headset is I love the material that they used for the ear cushions. It's very breathable and it's also soft as well. So you can rest assured that these ear cups are gonna last a long time and are also gonna be super comfortable. And this is a over-the-ear headset, which is my favorite type. And just as expected, this headset is super comfortable. If you need to stretch them out, simply pull down on the ears. That will give you more space, and this is a reinforced bracket as well for durability. They have good flex to them as well, and the ear cups have a little bit of movement in them, and they also have a little bit of play here on each ear, and this basically just helps with the fitment so that way it fits on your head nice and secure. They also feature the HyperX logo on each ear in silver, and the padding up here is super soft. It feels like a memory foam. So next we're gonna go ahead and set this up, and we're gonna do a audio test so that way you guys can get an idea of what this mic sounds like. I'm not gonna edit the audio. I'm just gonna let you guys hear what the mic sounds like directly from the headset. All right, this is a microphone test for the Stinger Core wireless headset by HyperX. Testing out the microphone to get a good idea of the quality of the microphone included on this headset. Once again, this is a audio test for the HyperX Stinger Core wireless headset. Testing 1, 2, and 3. All right, so there you go. The HyperX Cloud Stinger Core wireless gaming headset for PS4, PS5, and PC. If you're looking for a quality headset, definitely consider this model by HyperX. If you found this video helpful, make sure that you like and share it, and I will see you on the next one.